Hi, welcome to Welding Technology. I'm Mr. Roberts.
And I'm the new welding instructor, Mr. Klein.
Combined, I have 15 years here as a welding instructor. Over the years, I've been asked a lot of questions. Some of the main questions are, how many certifications can I get? It can get as what you can achieve. The more you put in, the more you will get out. Some certifications are easier. We strive that the student gets the harder ones because they cover more. So as for that, students can leave here with 1, or they can leave here up to 10. School pays 100%. All the time spent in here on this side of the shop, we have 36 brand new booths, all new welders. We have MIG welders, stick welders, TIG welders, the new brand new pulse welders, aluminum MIG welders. Everything is on this side. This is where you're going to learn your trade. Inside of these booths is where it happens. The more time you spend in here, the more skill you're going to get out. Welding is repetition, over and over and over. A robot can make a perfect weld every time, and so can you with enough practice. You don't get that from sitting down. It's a full-on profession. You have to want to do this in order to do it. The other side of the shop is our fabrication side. A lot of people are welders. Not everyone can fabricate. Part of being a good welder and all-around employee is knowing how to build stuff. In here, we have all the machinery that you're going to run into out in the field. This size, a 45-ton brake press. This will bend metal. 3/8 metal, you're going to bend it 90 degrees just by stepping on the foot. So we have band saws, wet saws. We have power rolls that'll bend metal into a 4-inch diameter, and then we can make cages, cones, transitions, all the stuff that you're going to run to out in the field. Right now, some of the students, it looks a little unorganized, but we're just moving in. We're building our tables, we're fabricating everything that the students use. We made the downdraft tables that you're going to grind on. This sucks the fumes away. Every single thing in here so far is student built. Tables, other rolls. This is a table almost in the process of being done. This is where you do your welding on. You can tack all your stuff up flat. You weld on side the grates. This is all the stock when it comes in. Some people go to Lowe's, they buy their hardware, they buy plywood. When you're a welder or fabricator, this is our Lowe's. That's what it looks like. Everything comes in sheets. It can come in a formed stock. With the equipment in here, we'll either roll it or bend it into what we need or what your customer would need. But this is everything how metal looks before it becomes a product. These machines, this will shear and punch circles in metal. This is a press. This will cut 3/8 plate. I can put a full set of 4 foot by 3/8 thick metal and step on the pedal. It's going to cut it just as easy as a pair of scissors. Everything in here is the same type of machinery you're going to get in industry. These are all your sheets, whether it be stainless, steel, aluminum. This is how we buy our stuff, and we fabricate it. This could be a cabinet, it could be a rack, it could be part of a bus, it could be anything. This is how it starts out. It's up to the person to have the knowledge in order to build it and weld it and form it. Some of the newer stuff we have, I'll let Mr. Klein discuss.
Hello. So another new addition to the new building is our FANUC Zero ID robot. Now, everyone's first impression is that these things are going to take everyone's jobs. That is the furthest thing from the truth. What we need in industry, in my experience, hiring robotics operators and programmers, we need these kids, students, new employees, to understand how to weld before you program a robot. You can program it all day long, but you got to know what you're doing. You got to know what a good weld looks like. So we are incorporating this into a new curriculum, which I'm currently working on. I'm hoping we get hit the ground running by the end of the year. And over here, another piece of technology, we have our CNC Plasma cutting table. What we can actually do is import shapes, pictures from the internet and cut them out to your desired size, dimensions. So a lot of new things going on here, and things are filling up quick. So try and get in quick, and we'll show you exactly what you need to do.
For more information about this program, please visit the program page at www.burkscareer.com.